Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your nails and make them look prettier and better. So here I had removed a gel manicure and the surface of the nails looks kinda uneven because of that removal. My cuticles need to be fixed. I need to shape the nails and nourish them. So I'm going to show you how to make your nails look from that to this. Firstly, we are going to start by gently pushing back the cuticles. I am using this cuticle pusher, you can find it anywhere. So I'm going to use a nail drill to remove the dead skin around my nails. One tip that I'm going to give you is think like you are dividing your nail in half. For the first half of the nail, this part that I'm showing you in the video, you have to use the forward direction in your nail drill. And then for the other half of the nail, you need to remove the dead skin using the other direction on your nail drill. So make sure that you change the direction on your nail drill to remove precisely the dead skin. Now it's time to cut the dead skin. I'm going to use this cuticle cutter, but you can use the scissors if you are more comfortable with them. And now I'm using this round bit to remove those excess pieces of skin that were hanging in there. So for the filing process, I'm using this file firstly to file the tip of the nail and then the sides of the nail. And also you need to file the top of the nail if you are ready for a manicure. Just make sure that you also buff the surface so that you don't get those scratches. You don't see the scratches on top of the nail when you paint them. And then I applied some cuticle oil, rub it in with your fingers, and then let it dry. Your nails are gonna look perfect. So this is the finished result. I really hope you liked this video and let me know what you think of it.